Hi everyone! As a K-literature reader and a proud member of the KCC Book Club PH, I'd like to share something special with you. This coming September 30 is International Translation Day. And to celebrate my love for Korean translators, here's my little tribute to them. Just like how we all have our favorite K-pop idols, I also have my K-lit translator bias, and he's none other than Anton Hur. Mr. Anton Hur, thank you for being the bridge that connects us to the beauty of Korean literature. Because of your translations, we're able to experience the voices of Korean authors, feel their stories, and see the world through their words. You've opened the door for so many readers, like me, to discover Korean fiction in a deeper and more meaningful way. If given the chance and your schedule permits, please visit us here in the Philippines. Hoping to meet you one day soon. Happy International Translation Day! Let's continue to celebrate translators, the invisible but powerful voices who bring world literature closer to our hearts. 감사합니다. Did you know that Anton Hur is also an author? His first novel is Toward Eternity.